the final result, before and after this retouch. Now, let's get started together. The practice image is in the description. Pause the video and download it. Alright, let's take a look at how to work with masks. This time, we're using the lasso tool for masking, not the brush. And make sure to watch till the end. There's an important part about blending options that can really level up your retouching. Dear friends, I'll stop the explanations here so you can try the steps on your own. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to help.
Start and shine, create, inspire, evolve ideas, graphics. Graphics. Start and shine, create, inspire, evolve ideas, graphics.